Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Fruitishes. I am Charvi Agrawal and this is apparently my first YouTube video. So let me give like a basic introduction of myself. I am 20 years old and I live in Jaipur, and I am currently pursuing engineering and textile technology from NIT Jalandhar, and I'm in my final year, so I'll be probably done with my engineering by the end of May 2022. So yeah, that's it. That's the basic information about me. And I would like to give like a little backstory about how I started this YouTube channel. There's this classmate of mine, like my college friend Kritika. She came up with this idea that Charvi, bro, I think you should start your own YouTube channel. I was like, no, I can't do it. And then she convinced me fully, ki, you can do it and you should start. Then I was like, okay, bro, exams ho jaane de. I'll start my own YouTube channel now. So yeah, here I am with my YouTube channel. एंड मेरे फ्रेंड्स लिटरली इतने एक्साइटेड है, जिनको भी मैंने बताया है कि आई एम स्टार्टिंग माई चैनल, तो दे आर मोर एक्साइटेड देन मी. एंड द शॉकिंग थिंग इज़, मैंने अपने पेरेंट्स को नहीं बताया दैट आई एम स्टार्टिंग माई चैनल. अब देखते हैं उनका रिएक्शन अच्छा भी आ सकता है या बुरा भी है, वो पता लगेगा जब आई शेयर द लिंक ऑफ दिस वीडियो. सो दैट वॉज माई बेसिक इंट्रो वीडियो एंड देन वैसे काफ़ी ट्रांजिशन आया, but it is because I shot that video 2-3 days back when I was going out, so I was kind of all glammed up, and abhi मैं just सो के उठी हूँ. I've just woken up. It's I think 8:40 right now, and I think today I'm gonna shoot like a chill vlog with me day. एंड चिल बिकॉज मेरे अभी एंड सेम ख़त्म हुए हैं जस्ट, सो जब तक नेक्स्ट सेम स्टार्ट नहीं होता कॉलेज का, I kind of don't have much work to do, but I try to be productive. I try to not waste the whole day. Yeah, let's get started. Finally, I made my bed, and trust me, it is the most satisfying feeling to me after I properly set up my bed. I'm currently sitting in my living room, especially in front of the heater because बहुत ठंड है, and I'm having my morning drink, and I'm kind of habitual of having this drink since like an year. It's basically hot water boiled with cumin seeds, cinnamon stick and tej patta, and it's really good for health. So after my morning drink, I'm probably gonna do my workout, and I have like a fixed workout routine for the whole week, and today I have full body strength and core workout, and I'm gonna attach some snippets from my workout. I'm not attaching the whole video or the whole time-lapse thing. I'll only attach those clips in which I look presentable. So I'll see you after my workout. So I'm done with my workout. Please ignore my sweaty face. I'm directly gonna go into the washroom and have a nice shower. I'm out of the shower and washed my hair, and it's 11:15 a.m. right now, and I'm gonna do my breakfast. For that, I'm having green tea, nuts, strawberries and carrot, and I'm watching Big Boss along with it. And I know people are gonna judge me for watching it, but it is what it is, guys, and I love Big Boss and the drama in it. I did finish my yesterday's Big Boss episode, and now I still have an hour or so left for lunch. It's I think 12:30 or 12:15 around. So I decided to sit in my balcony and read this Word Power Made Easy. I also started reading this book in the lockdown itself, but if you are someone who want to improve their vocabulary, then this is like a really good book. And yeah, I'll read this. Trying to include my brother in the vlog. It's lunchtime finally. I'm having paneer chila today with my favorite peri peri masala, and I am watching the show The Mindy Project. one of my friend Anushka recommended it to me and I'm actually liking it. So after my lunch I started studying thoda bahut, and it's been 1 hour since I'm studying and abhi 5 to 10 minutes ka break liya hai. And yeah, I'm not generally a person who sleeps in the afternoon. Like, it's very rare for me that I'm taking afternoon nap. So yeah, I think I'll study for an hour or half an hour more and then I'll go out to have some coffee. घर के कपड़ों से निकल के आए, came into थोड़े casual clothes. I'm wearing this turtleneck, these black sweatpants, and I'm gonna put that red jacket you can see. I came to NBC to have my iced latte and actually wanted to sit there, but बहुत भीड़ थी उधर, so I just took my coffee and got into my car. And disclaimer, this is the first time I am like heading out alone to have coffee. Generally I am with someone, but ये पहली बार है that I have come out alone and it actually feels nice. Guys, I came to the park to make a reel and see there's so many monkeys around here. I just can't even get out of my car now. I really wanted to make my reel, but I am thinking to drop the idea of going inside the park now because there are so many monkeys and they're not even going yaar. I'm very scared of monkeys. By the way, मैं कार में बैठ के ऐसे बोल रही हूँ और आसपास जाते हुए लोग मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा लुक्स देते हुए जा रहे हैं. They're thinking that this girl has gone crazy. She's talking to herself. Also, talking about reels, I constantly post reels on Instagram. So if you have not followed if you have not followed my account on Instagram yet, I'll mention my Insta handle here. So pause the video right now and follow me on Instagram. It's 11 p.m. now. I had my dinner. I was scrolling through Instagram, YouTube, and I talked on phone with few of my friends. Basically, I was doing thoda bahut time pass. And right now, I'm reading this book, Pride and Prejudice. I have downloaded it from Apple Books on my iPad, and I have heard about this book a lot, especially in the Hollywood teen drama shows. And I really want to know what this hype is all about. So I'll probably read it and then sleep in some time. So I'll end the vlog here, and this was my first time making a vlog, so please be thoda lenient with me, and I promise I'll improve with the upcoming vlogs. And yeah, so if you liked it, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and do all the good things you can. And I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.